Hi, welcome to APS CAD tutorial. This is a second part of Autocad Complete Tutorial. To start the drawing, click here. If you don't need the grid enter, off enter. Actually, working with grid is better, but I don't like to work with grid, so I just offed. This all black portion is drawing sheet. It is infinity area. This area it will not be finished. If you try to make a long line, how much kilometer it's gone, there is no matter for that. As you understand it is infinity sheet, we can make a blind drawing from any location. So we have to find the zero coordinate system. It means the center of the sheet. The center of the sheet is locating on zero coordinate system. How we can find the zero coordinate system? Normally on sheet, XY coordinate system is located on this marked area. Normally this marked area is 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0 means 0, 1 first 0 for X, second 0 for Y and third 0 for Z. It means XY is 2D coordinate system, XYZ is 3D coordinate system. So we can start the drawing near the XY coordinate system. You can blindly start the drawing from any location of the sheet, but you will face a lot of issue. One example, if you are going to make a sheet, you will face the issue. I will explain it on that time. On first chapter, we already told about the unit setting. Here we have to care one more things. Regarding the scale, all the GCC country are using millimeter unit. As you wish, we have to put 1 millimeter. But years of my working experience, it is better to put in unit less. The benefit of putting the unit less, if you import some block from other drawings, you will find the scaling issue. So it will explain on that time. Maybe the 5th chapter we can explain it briefly. This unit tab, we set all the things like this marked area, then we can enter OK. We already explained the importance of the drawing templates. Let us find something more. See, when I am making the dimension layer already set it to dimension layer. I didn't make any changes. So this is the importance of drawing templates. I mean, only I have to make one time. So when I made all the settings in one time, I have to save it to DWT file. So I don't need to make it all the times these settings. On first, we have to set the automatic saving option, because when we are working, we forget to save and the AutoCAD is crashed. It is happening in all the AutoCAD software. Currently I am working in 220 AutoCAD. This is also happening. To set the automatic saving option, OP enter. Click open and save. Tick the automatic save in file safety precaution area. Also you can put the minutes between save. The default minutes is 10 minutes and press OK. Here we have to care one more things. To work this automatic save option, compulsory you have to save it in correct location. We already explained the all AutoCAD is crashing always. Sometime the crashed file we can't open. Meanwhile, we have to find the back file, just copy paste somewhere else and rename it that bak.bak. We have to change it dwg. So it is automatically converted to drawing, then we can open it. For your reference, I will explain one tips. While we working, our managers will come to us. Our screen is very small. It is important to show the drawing on entire screen. We can make it happen as precisely Ctrl 0. To off this one, Ctrl 0 also. Or you can press this marked button also. The name of AutoCAD mouse point, crosshair. To change the size, OP enter, display, change the size here, then OK. If we change to 100, the size of this is unlimited. And the best option is 25. Normally I am putting 25. It is depend on you. You can change it whatever you need. We learned now all the common features of the AutoCAD. In a short, we are working all the drawing in model tab. After we finished all the drawing, we will go to the layout. Then we will set the layout like A3 sheet, A0 sheet like that. This is depend on your company or your organization. Whatever the sheet you need, you can provide it. After setting the layout, we can print it on A3 size or A0 size like a scaled format. This is the complete structure of AutoCAD software. In AutoCAD, all the objects have specific name. To check the name, you can select the object and go to the properties bar. then you can find the name of the object. To get the properties bar, PR enter. Here we have a lot of options, like first example, object color, object type, object line, like line type, everything is there. So all the properties of the object we can refer here and we can change here. Now I will show to you how we are working in AutoCAD. I will make one example with one table 0 to end. Just refer the fast forwarded video because it is just intro only to understand you what is in AutoCAD and how we are using in AutoCAD for production purpose. To make the section, we can make it normally in AutoCAD, but now I just showing you how is SketchUp is we can use it for this. After we made the plan and elevation in AutoCAD, everyone is finding the solution for how to make the section because section is little complicated. To make the section and understand the object, normally what we are doing, we will make the plan in AutoCAD and convert to SketchUp and make the 3D. Then after the 3D, we can convert to section in any direction in one click. Now I am showing it's only for reference. For the complete SketchUp tutorial, I will make it soon. So just subscribe my channel. You can find it after this one. If you are going to my channel inside, I already made the Malayalam tutorial for same. This is my second channel. Whatever the Malayalam channel I made it. Now all I am converting to English channel. Now we complete the isometric view. Now we can make the section. Wherever we need, we can make the section. It's easy. From the SketchUp, we can convert to AutoCAD directly. If you need section, if you need elevation, anything, whatever you need, you can take it from the SketchUp. Directly you can convert it to AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, we have two selections. Green selection and blue selection. It is depend on how you are selecting. If you are selecting from the right to left side, it is green selection. In green selection, on the highlighted area, if you touch any object side, the object will be selected. Refer this rectangle, it is one object if it is polyline. So if you select one side, all the line will be selected. For the blue selection, entire object required to cover in highlighted area. Only that time it will be selected. Now let's see the print preview so we can understand the line type, line weight and all the object style. It will look nice, but we have to do more things. This is only the basic tour. Next chapter we can learn the drawing tools. Briefly, all the tools we will explain.